Well, boys, it's 7:21 p.m. and I fucking just got home, and I haven't even worked on tonight's video yet. Let me grab something so I'm not fucking sitting in water. Spend all day in a fucking beer cooler and shit. I'd prefer not to be getting fucking soaked. But you saw the last video, I got the trans in the tractor, and then I JB welded it up about 10 or 11 last night, so it hasn't been a full 24 hours. But hopefully that's gonna fucking hold. If I can even get this fucker started up. Haven't fired it up in quite a while. Hi, chickens. She acts like she wants to. Awesome. She lives. What do you think, Norma? What do you think about the driving tractor, you dog? You didn't even fucking have the dick with putting it in, and you're happy about it. Holy shit. Anyway, boys. Are you happy the tractor's running? Oh, shit. Anyway, man, that's fucking awesome. Haven't drove that tractor since last year. I've been missing it. So, still got to get the deck hooked up. I got a bunch of other stuff I'm going to do to this tractor still this year. But, that was the big one. Just got it driving again. And she fucking runs and she drives. Still needs the carburetor. I still got to do something different about the exhaust. I still have to really rebuild the deck, which I may try and just fucking cobble job that together for one more fucking year. I don't know yet. Or at least later in the season when I'm prepared to do it, instead of just, okay, let's do it now. We got, you know, crunch for time and everything. That always kind of sucks. And I know, because that's kind of how it was with the transmission. So anyway, I'm probably just going to sell that fucker whole for 60 bucks. That's what I paid for all 4 of the tractors. I still got to get the Cub. Probably selling that fucker for 60 bucks. That Murray, I'm going to move that out back and work on that at a later date. The Craftsman back there is going to scrap. And I think the next semi-truck's got a blown out tire. Sounds like shit. I think the next project I'm working on is a Boland's 1055 way the fuck back there. I got to get that up here one of these days, but I'm not using this to pull it again because I think that was a contributing factor to how I blew the last transmission in this fucker. You can still hear that tire flailing away. That truck driver's got to know he's got a flat. Sounds like a fucking helicopter. Anyway, I know it's kind of a short video. It's not one of the better ones. You know, it's new work schedule and shit. It's kind of kicking my ass a little bit and trying to pump out 3 videos a week. I may have to go back to just doing 2 a week, but I really want to try and stick with the 3. So anyway, if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I have a whole entire playlist on every video I've ever made of this tractor, and we'll continue to upload many more videos to that playlist. So go check that out if you want to see the engine swap, how to swap the trans, and all the future shit that I'm going to be doing to this thing. So I feel like I've already said this, but I mean it this time. Peace out, brothers. Thank you for watching.